Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to take you through the steps on how to find your design for your website. Now, you might be new to Canva and someone may have created a website for you and you just don't know where to look on Canva so that you can edit that design. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Canva homepage and you're going to click on your settings. And in your settings, you're going to look on your left side and you're going to come right down to domains. In the domains area, you're going to have all of the domains. You'll also have your free domains as well. So right here, I've got a free domain, and over here, I've got a domain that I have purchased, and that's designed through Canva as a project. Now, if I click on the view, we're going to notice that there are different properties that are connected for my website. And then down below, we're going to see the different pages that were created for my website. So I have my main web page, which is easy as 123 ABC website. That's my main page. And then I have a subsequent page that's called Learn Canva. So these are two pages. Now, if I want to edit these pages, all I have to do is click on the three dots and click on Edit Design. So when I click Edit Design, I'm going to get a message at the top. It says, if you continue editing this design, you'll need to publish it again to update your website. So you can go ahead and update your design, but then you'll have to remember to publish it. Now, if you want more information on how to publish it, I'll link that tutorial in the comments and you can go and watch that tutorial. Now you'll notice that you'll have a message up top that says, if you continue editing this design, you'll need to publish it again to update your website. And if we try and click in there, we actually cannot make any changes. So up here, there'll be a little button that says Edit Design. When you click on that, you're now able to click on any items and you're able to make any changes that you need to. Once you are done, you'll see up here next to the share button, there'll be a publish website button. You can click that. And once you click share, you're going to get the option to publish the website or republish the website, as in updating and republishing the changes that you have made. Down below, you're going to see a resize on mobile, and that just means that whatever you design will be resized on a smaller screen like a mobile or iPad. It'll ask you whether you want to include a navigation menu. So I'm not including a navigation menu because I've created my own navigation menu here. So if you don't have your own navigation menu that you created, then what you'll want to do is you will want to click on the Include Navigation menu. If your website URL has changed, you'll want to update that. And when we click Publish Settings, you have the option to update what the tab is going to say. Mine says easy as 123 ABC, but you can change that by clicking the pencil button. And you can also, in this area here, describe your website, and that's used for SEO purposes. So once you are done, you have the option to unpublish. So here's where you would unpublish your website. And then we have the option to republish the website. So once you're done, you can click that purple button and you'll be all done. Now, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll try to respond to them as best I can. And if you learned anything in this tutorial, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right. Bye for now, friends.